Hey everybody, this is John Smith, Safety Director for Freedom Trans Dedicated in Gainesville, Georgia and Grand Prairie, Texas. Coming to you here around the 1st of August, 2023. We're going to be talking about two different safety topics, I guess, during this podcast. First up, we're going to talk about work zone awareness because we're right in the middle of work zone season and we really can't drive anywhere without experiencing some type of work zone work going on. So we'll talk about that a little bit, and then we're going to get into Brake Safety Week, which is coming up a little bit later in August, the 20th through the 26th. So first up, work zone awareness. As I mentioned, we're right in the middle of it. Everywhere we look and go, we're going to probably encounter some type of work zone. So here are 10 tips for driving safely as we encounter these work zones. First, expect the unexpected. Normal speed limits may be reduced, traffic lanes may be changed, and people may be working on or near the road. Slow down and turn on your four-way flashers. Speeding is one of the major causes of work zone crashes. Don't tailgate. Keep a safe distance between you and the vehicle ahead of you. The most common crash in a highway work zone is the rear-end collision, so don't tailgate. Keep a safe distance between your vehicle and the construction workers and their equipment. Pay attention to the signs. The warning signs are there to help you and other drivers move safely through the work zone. Observe the posted signs until you see the one that says you've left the work zone. Obey road crew flaggers. The flagger knows what is best for moving traffic safely in the work zone. A flagger has the same authority as a regulatory sign, so you can be cited for disobeying his or her directions. Stay alert and minimize distractions. Dedicate your full attention to the roadway and avoid changing radio stations or using cell phones while driving in a work zone. Keep up with the traffic flow. Motorists can help maintain traffic flow and posted speeds by merging as soon as possible. Don't drive right up to the lane closure and then try to barge in. Schedule enough time to drive safely and check radio, TV, and websites for traffic information. And finally, be patient and stay calm. Work zones aren't there to personally inconvenience you. Remember, the work zone crew members are working to improve the road and make your future drive a little bit better. Now let's talk about that Brake Safety Week coming up a little bit later in August. The dates for CVSA's Brake Safety Week is going to be August 20th through the 26th. And the CVSA, or the Commercial Vehicle Safety Alliance, is going to be focusing on brake lining and pad violations. Now, during Brake Safety Week, commercial motor vehicle inspectors highlight the importance of brake systems by conducting inspections of their components and removing CMVs found to have brake-related out-of-service violations from our roadways until those violations are corrected. Throughout Brake Safety Week, CVSA certified inspectors will conduct their usual inspections. However, in addition, they will be reporting brake-related inspection and violation data to the Alliance. The CVSA will compile that data and publish a press release this fall with the results. Now, when inspectors conduct the brake portion of a roadside inspection, here's what they're going to check. They're going to check for missing, non-functioning, loose, or cracked parts. They're going to check for contaminated, worn, cracked, and missing linings or pads. They're going to check for S-cam flipover. They're going to listen for audible air leaks around brake components and lines. They're going to check slack adjusters, that they're the same length from the center of the S-cam to the center of the clevis pin. And the air chambers on each axle are the same size. Ensure the brake system maintains air pressure between 90 and 100 psi, and they're going to measure pushrod travel. They're going to inspect for non-manufactured holes, in other words, rust holes, holes created by rubbing or friction, and broken springs in the spring brake housing section of the parking brake. They're going to inspect required brake system warning devices such as anti-lock braking systems, ABS malfunction lamps, and low air pressure warning devices. They're also going to inspect the tractor protection system, including the bleed back system on the trailer. And finally, they're going to ensure the breakaway system is operable on the trailer. So be ready and be prepared. Again, CVSA's Brake Safety Week is scheduled for August the 20th through the 26th. I hope you're having a great summer. I hope you continue to have a great month of August. Be safe, be ready, and I'll see you here about this time next month. Take care.